The Owl and the Pussycat went to sea in a beautiful pea-green boat. They took with them some honey and plenty of money wrapped up in a £5 note. Let's take a look at this week's arrangement. This week we've got some beautiful white avalanche roses, either lavender coloured aster or snowberries, some delicate soft green lisianthus, some shimmering white LA lilies, and introducing for its Freddy's Flowers foliage debut, the beautiful eucalyptus cossifera. Snip an inch off the end of all your stems and use your flower food. Start with your roses arranged evenly around the edge of your vase. Face your lilies opposite each other. Create an even triangle with your lisianthus a little more centrally, using the other stems for support. Now fill up the middle with your aster. Finish by tucking your wonderful eucalyptus around the edge, creating a foliagey nest. And hand in hand on the edge of the sand, they danced by the light of the moon. Is that nice?